Good day, teachers. We are looking at extending patterns with our learners. Now we've gone from several stages, and now we've come to this point where they are extending these geometric patterns, and later on come on to put them on the table. We need to start training our children to recognize or realize that here we've got one square, and here we've got two squares going this side and two squares going up. In other words, this is forming a square. Remember, we're now preparing them for square numbers and square roots. So they have to start to see these numbers coming out from the geometric patterns, there and going there. But for us to achieve these goals here, we have to make sure that the base is all right. That is, our children can multiply numbers correctly. They are able to add, they're able to subtract, they're able to divide the numbers. Now, once they are there, when it comes to these patterns, they should be able now to take these numbers, number of squares, and complete the table. As you can see, all of you, that it's obviously squaring those numbers. You're simply squaring those numbers. Getting 25, getting 36, getting 49. Right? And we should be able to help our learners to realize that there is some squaring that is happening here. But they shouldn't discover it only here. They should discover it from the setup of the pattern itself. And come up to say, to get 4, I multiplied 2 by 2. I counted there were 4, and I can see I'm multiplying 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, and so on. And that becomes very important as we start to introduce our learners to different sets of numbers. Remember again, there are many other activities that are there in our books, the workbook and the learner's book. They should do more of these activities that will try to help them to get to the level of abstract, because we are trying to move from concrete to abstract, and so they need to understand and be able to interpret this information. Have a great day.